What if I told you that one of the simplest, cheapest pieces of equipment, something you probably haven't touched since grade school, could completely transform your body, boost your stamina, and sharpen your mind, all in just a few minutes a day? I'm talking about the jump rope. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more science-backed fitness tips that will keep you ahead of the game. All right, let's break down exactly what happens if you commit to jumping rope every single day. Jumping rope isn't just for kids or boxers. It's one of the most efficient full-body workouts you can do. A rope costs less than 20 bucks, it fits in your backpack, and it delivers results that rival some of the most expensive workout machines. But here's the thing. The real power of jumping rope isn't in doing it once, it's in doing it consistently. Just 10 to 20 minutes a day can create changes in your body that are honestly shocking. Today, we're going to cover the major transformations you can expect in your cardiovascular health, fat loss and muscle tone, coordination and agility, mental health and brain function, and even the hidden risks you should know about. And stick around until the end, because I'll also walk you through what you can realistically expect after 1 week, 1 month, and 3 months of daily jump roping. Cardiovascular benefits. Let's start with your heart and lungs. Jumping rope is a cardiovascular powerhouse. In fact, research shows that 10 minutes of moderate intensity jump rope burns the same calories and improves endurance as jogging for 30 minutes. That means you're getting triple the results in 1/3 of the time. Daily practice strengthens your heart muscle, improves blood circulation, and increases your VO2 max. That's your body's ability to use oxygen efficiently. The higher your VO2 max, the more energy you have for workouts, sports, and even everyday activities. Boxers, MMA fighters, and athletes all rely on the jump rope because it pushes the heart and lungs harder than almost any other conditioning tool. Do it every day, and your stamina will skyrocket. Fat loss and muscle toning. Now, let's talk fat loss. Jump rope is one of the highest calorie-burning exercises out there. Depending on your weight and intensity, you can torch anywhere from 200 to 300 calories in just 10 minutes. Compare that to cycling or walking, and you'll see why it's such a fat-burning machine. If your goal is to shed belly fat, this is where daily consistency makes the biggest difference. Over weeks and months, those calories add up. Combined with a proper diet, you'll see body fat dropping and definition appearing in places you didn't expect, like your calves, shoulders, and even your abs. But it's not just about burning fat. Jumping rope also tones your muscles. Your calves, quads, hamstrings, glutes, forearms, shoulders, and even your core get activated. It's a total body workout that sculpts lean muscle while keeping your frame athletic, not bulky. Do this daily, and you'll notice your legs feeling stronger, your posture improving, and your arms developing subtle tone from the constant wrist rotation. Coordination, balance, and agility. Here's something most people don't realize. Jump rope is as much a brain exercise as it is a body exercise. Every skip requires timing, rhythm, and focus. At first, you'll trip, stumble, and maybe get frustrated. But as you stick with it, your brain and muscles sync up in a way that drastically improves your coordination. That's why elite athletes use it. It sharpens footwork, balance, and reflexes. If you play basketball, soccer, tennis, or even just want to feel more athletic in your everyday life, jumping rope daily gives you an edge. And it's not just about sports. Improved balance reduces your risk of falls as you age. In other words, jump rope is like an insurance policy for your long-term mobility. Mental health and brain benefits. Let's not forget the mental side. When you're jumping rope, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that reduce stress and anxiety. After just a few minutes, you'll feel that exercise high kick in. But even beyond mood, studies show that coordination-heavy exercises like jump rope improve memory, focus, and cognitive flexibility. You're training your brain to process timing, rhythm, and movement all at once. It's almost meditative once you find your flow. Your body moves automatically, your breathing syncs up, and your mind clears. Think of it as therapy with sweat. Risks and things to watch out for. Now, I have to give you the reality check. Jumping rope every day is powerful, but it also comes with risks if you're not careful. Shin splints and knee pain can happen if you're doing it on concrete or without proper shoes. Always jump on a shock-absorbing surface, like a gym mat, wooden floor, or even grass. Rope length matters. Too short, and you'll trip. Too long, and you'll whip yourself. A good rule is to step on the rope with both feet. The handles should reach your armpits. And if you're brand new, don't overdo it. Start with 2 to 3 minutes at a time, and slowly work your way up. If you can't do jump rope yet, don't worry. Start with lat pull-downs or other conditioning exercises to build up your strength. Then transition into jump rope when you're ready. Progression and variations. One of the best things about jump rope is that it never gets boring, unless you let it. You can start with the basic bounce, then try high knees, crisscross side-to-side jumps, double unders. Each variation challenges your muscles in a new way and keeps the workout fresh. Plus, daily jump rope doesn't have to mean long, grueling sessions. You can do short skill practice sessions where you just experiment with tricks and rhythm. This keeps motivation high while still giving your body the benefits. So what actually happens if you jump rope every day? Let's break it down. After 1 week, you'll feel sore, especially in your calves and shoulders. Your coordination will be shaky, but your body will already start adapting. You'll notice a small boost in energy and mood. After 1 month, your stamina improves. You can go longer without gasping for air. You'll feel lighter on your feet, more balanced, and more athletic. Fat loss starts becoming noticeable, especially if your nutrition is on point. You'll look leaner, with subtle toning in your arms and legs. After 3 months, you'll have significantly better cardiovascular endurance. Your coordination and agility will feel second nature. Visible fat loss and muscle tone become undeniable. You'll see definition in your legs, arms, and even abs. Mentally, you'll feel sharper, more focused, and less stressed. And the best part? All of this from a rope and a few minutes of daily commitment. Jump rope is one of the most underrated tools in fitness. Do it every day and you'll not only burn fat and tone your muscles, but you'll also build a stronger heart, improve your coordination, and sharpen your mind. It's efficient, it's fun, and it's something almost anyone can do. So here's my challenge to you. Grab a rope, commit to just 10 minutes a day, and see how much your body transforms in 30 days. If you're ready to take on the jump rope challenge, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a simple but powerful fitness habit. New videos are coming every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss them.